Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about if we can instantly convert Spaylater to Gcash. Okay, so there's no official or direct way to send Spaylater to Gcash, but Spaylater is meant for Shopee purchases only, but people use workarounds to cash out to Gcash. So here I'm going to show you one way. So first is you have to buy Gcash Load Tap app from Shopee sellers. So here you just open your Shopee application and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Gcash load or Gcash top up. And then next is you have to pick a seller with high ratings. Okay, so for example, this one, you just have to click on it. Okay, and then after that, make sure that you are going to type out or enter your Gcash number. Okay, at checkout, you have to pay with Spaylater. So once the payment is confirmed, the seller will instantly send the amount to your Gcash. So usually has a service fee like 50 pesos fee for 1,000 peso load. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.